Hi, my name is Omloo. I work for G+D Netcetera as a sales director responsible for Europe. What we're seeing is a transformative change in how payments are perceived by, or also expected to happen by end users. So end users nowadays, they expect an instant, secure and frictionless payment. The latter ones often contradict each other. Also what we see is that they want to have these attributes on these payments on all the channels that they're using, so whether it's on a physical POS, on a mobile channel or on a web shop. And at G+D Netcetera we help issuing banks and players on the acquiring side to modernize their payment infrastructure to ensure exactly those parameters. Friction is a common concern among especially traditional or more risk-averse banking institutions, but security in payments doesn't have to come as a trade-off with user experience, and it should not, of course. So what we are trying to help our customers with is, first of all, meet the requirements of today's market, but also future markets, by implementing more innovative, for example, authentication methods, delivering them solutions like passkeys and click-to-pay, which ultimately lead to a higher security in the payment itself, but at the same time improve the user experience for the checkout process. Very interesting question, because in emerging markets they both hold for us a very special opportunity, but at the same time often higher challenges. So we come as a Swiss-based company from a very highly regulated market within Europe, where we have PSD2 in the background, PSD3 coming up. We have this regulation that pushes our customers to actually implement new innovative solutions. In emerging markets we don't have that kind of wave that we can roll on in terms of regulation. And at the same time we see that users, or the companies that provide solutions to users in those markets, often leapfrog from very traditional systems to a very digital first experience, where in Europe we may undergo different steps to get to that point. In emerging markets they often just overcome that at once. So what we have to do, and what we do very frequently, is partner up with local companies that know the markets very, very well, that know the local regulations very well, and then try to find a custom, tailor-made solutions for our customers and for the banks and for the PSPs in the region.